Hi everyone, it's Suzanne Stoddart of Legitimate Affiliate Training, and today I want to do a review of YoDrive by Dr. Amit Pareek. This launches today, August 3rd, 2022. We'll take a quick look at the sales page, and then we'll go inside to see what you're actually getting, okay? I'll walk through any upsells, give you my pros and cons, and then my personal recommendation based on my own online experience. So stay with me, okay, because there's some things that you need to know in advance. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And don't forget that bell. And if you look below, I have 2 links for you today. One is for this storage system if you'd like to access it right away. And the other is for free training to learn how to start your own online business like mine. So let's take a quick look at the sales page. Here he says that this software will allow you to host unlimited videos, website images, training, audios, and any other media files at blazing fast speed at a low one-time fee. Or if you have clients, you can use it to host their media content. And of course, it's true, you do need some cloud storage somewhere to keep all the types of media your business or your customers need to access. Now, I personally use Dropbox and Google Drive, and those are other options that this product is similar to. And as you scroll down, they will give you many claims here that you need to read through. But I found there to be a few discrepancies. When you scroll down to the bottom here, I have the commercial version, and it says certain things that you get with that version. And it could be that I just misunderstood some of the detail here, but I found a few discrepancies inside with the amount that I could actually host. So let's go inside and we'll take a look. Now this is my dashboard inside my own copy. When you first sign up, you're going to get a page like this where you need to create a subdomain. So you would want your business name, and then your URL will end with opyo.co. And then once inside, this is what your dashboard looks like. And this just gives you your general overall stats and some quick links to get around. Now, if you need any kind of help to use this software, it is very easy to use. But if you click on help here and go to their knowledge base, you can see they have a lot of separate topics here to help you with any of your questions. Like if we click on settings, and click on settings again. If you want to know how to change anything in your software, here's a video showing you how to do that. And the same for video. They've got a lot of different topics in here, a lot of different facts. Okay, you can see everything that's in here to help you out. And of course, you can always submit a ticket if you don't find the answer you're looking for. Now, if you want to start adding some files, you can also go to My Drive and drag and drop any files that you want here. So you'd probably want to start by creating a folder, because this is the best way to keep all of your stuff organized. So I'll call this one PDF and create. And now let's upload something. I'm going to take something off of my computer and drop it there. And once it's completely uploaded, you just click done. And notice here that you can only upload 5 files at a time, okay? So we click done. And now if we check documents, we can see that that's where it uploaded to. So what I want to do is click on this and move it to my PDF file. So now if we go back to the file folders, you'll see that it was added in here. And from here, if I wanted to share this with someone, you just click on share. It gives you a URL link. So you just copy that link and test it out by opening it in a new window. And there we go. This shows the file that people can click on, and then they have the option to just see it online or they can download it. You can also email this to someone. So I'm just going to send it to myself to test it out. And there we go. You can see that it has been sent to me. This is what the email looks like, and to click here to view or download your document. So as you can see, it's very easy to use. So the next thing down here is you can upload images. So I'm going to click on upload, browse my files, and upload an image of myself, which is one of my avatars. Click Done, and here we go. And just like in the folders, you can choose to share it with anyone. If you want to check the status, this is where you would set it as private, public, or password protected. And for the more actions, you can copy, download, replace. Okay, there's a lot of different options here that you can use with anything that you upload in here. Documents I already showed you. Now let's try and upload a video. I'll use one of my review videos, and this is something that you need to know. Your videos can be a maximum of 500 megabytes if you want to upload it. And this is going to be a problem for me because most of my videos are bigger than that. You can see that this one was 752 megabytes, which is a 15-minute video. So this is something you're going to have to be aware of when you purchase just the front-end product. If you need to upload videos that are bigger than 500 megabytes, you will need to get one of the upsells. There are also audios that you can upload. Again, drag and drop or browse. So I will choose this file here. And there you go, that uploaded with no problem. And others would just be something that doesn't fall into these categories. This last one down here, third party, you would need an upsell. Now here is the View Doc channel link, and when you click on that, you're presented with a page like this, which is allowing your customers to log in and view any of the files that you want to share. And I think this looks very nice. Under Audience, then you'll be able to start getting some reports. You can create segments for your audience. You can add contacts in here, though personally I would allow your autoresponder to collect all that for you. You could keep a list of all your customers. And depending on what third-party services you integrate with, this should automatically keep track of all the customers that you have. You can create lists. You can create suppression lists. You can tag people for various reasons. And you can communicate with them here, because this will show all the comments that are coming in via your website. You can give them a specific status. You can search for them by title. Okay, so there's a lot of things you can do here to keep track of your audience. And then there's your analytics. Under Audience, you can get an overview of your audience and the type of traffic that you're getting. In order to see technology, you need an upsell. Same with location, and same with goals. Okay, so the front-end product only allows you an overview of your audience. Contacts, again, this gives you an overview of all the contacts that you have, when they signed on, if they purchased something, the revenue it brought you, that type of thing. And then there's your videos. And here you have to upgrade, okay? Under More, this just brings you back to My Drive, which is up here. This is where you would integrate your different third-party sources. Right now, this software is allowing you to integrate with Salesforce IQ, Salesforce, Infusionsoft, and HubSpot. Under API, this gives you your API key for this particular software that you can then add to other third-party platforms so that you can easily access all your files. Next is settings, and there's a lot of things in here that you can do. Here you can add your brand identity like a logo. Okay, so you would upload that here and give it all the information that you need to. And then you can integrate your social accounts. So your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and your YouTube link. You can choose to turn off the branding, but you will need an upgrade for that feature. There's a cookie consent. You can set up your own custom domain if you don't want to use a subdomain. The website home option is an upgrade. The business SEO, you can turn on right here, okay, depending on your needs. The webmaster code is an upgrade. The third-party analytics, you would add in here, okay? You can add your Google tracking code, your Google Tag Manager, your Facebook pixel, any third-party analytics. Just remember to click Save when you're done. The channel banners is if you decide you want to add a banner to your channel page and have it optimized with an affiliate link, okay? This is where you would do that. Under Sell, this requires an upgrade. Under Grow, you can connect your website by just adding your website URL here. And then you have some custom fields for your contacts here. So you can decide what it is that you want to show for each person, or if you want to create a new field. There is also an opportunity to add a lead score showing, if they're engaging or whatnot. And you also have the opportunity to add or remove that lead score if the user is already acquired. The integrations here and the API are the same that I showed you up in here, okay? The integration, the API. And when I showed you the integrations, keep in mind that the front end will only allow you to integrate these 4 services. So for myself, I use GetResponse, and I would have to buy an upgrade in order to integrate GetResponse. Other than that, you can access your account settings and make any changes there that you need to. So there you go. This is a fairly basic storage system with just the front end purchase. And if you want added features, you would have to upgrade. If we click on upgrade here, we can compare the plans. And these are upgrades to monthly plans, and it gives you the ability to upload bigger files and unlimited content. And down at the bottom here, they have more frequently asked questions. And as far as integrating with third-party platforms, it says yes, it can be with up to 50 different platforms. But then, like I said before, you do need the upgrades. There are additional upsells in the funnel you're going through, and let me show you what that looks like. So I'm going to show you what they show on their JV document. The front end product is either $34 or $37 for the commercial, and of course you'd want the commercial because it offers just that much more. And these are one-time costs for the free plan. And you will also see a bundle offer for $297, and that means that you would get all of this for the one-time price of $297. The first upsell is the elite version, and I always like how they do this. They'll either charge you $37 a month or a one-time price of $97. So of course, this is the one you'll want to get. Or you can get a downsell light version for $37. OTO number 2 is their enterprise. Again, $47 for personal, $67 for commercial. OTO number 3 is their agency license. So here you're able to have up to 200 clients for $67 or unlimited clients for $97. And they're also offering you the Fast Pass, which is the combination of OTO 1, 2, and 3 for a one-time price of $197. And OTO number 4, you have 3 versions here. You can either pay $77 a month. You can get the premium membership divided into 3 payments of $247, or pay a one-time price of $697. Now you'll get all the details for these upsells as you go through the funnel, so make sure you read the pages carefully, ignore any of the hype, and just look at the details. So what are the pros and cons of this product? Well, one pro is that this gives you extra storage for a low one-time cost. So if you're looking for a place to upload some of your media, if you don't have enough room in any other service that you're using, or if you just want some place as a backup for some of your media, then this is great for that. Another pro is that it's very easy to share the documents that you have stored in here. As I showed you, you just create your share link and add it to any of your posts or choose to email it within the system. Now the cons would be that the front end is quite limited. As you saw, I could only upload smaller videos And some of the features that you see inside are not available unless you buy the Upsells. And the one disappointing thing for me was that I wouldn't be able to integrate my GetResponse account. Another con is that this is a one-time cost software. So what does that mean? Well, usually that means that there is no money coming in down the road for them to pay for upgrades and maintenance. Now, inside the software, I did show you where you would be able to upgrade to a paid plan, and I'm assuming that a lot of people will end up doing this because the front end is so limited. So though I am leery about one-time cost software, because this has a payment plan, I'm assuming that they'll be able to keep it maintained and updated. So my recommendation is to go ahead and try the front end. See how you like it. See if it's as blazing fast as they say it's going to be, and try it out for a while before choosing to upgrade. But I also recommend that you always have a backup of any media that you're going to be storing here. I keep my media on my computer and in 2 other locations just in case something breaks down or you can't access. So you want to make sure you have that safety of a backup. Now, whether or not this will continue to be blazing fast remains to be seen. As more and more people start using this server, it could very well slow down. But I'm going to keep using this, and if I ever notice any problems or any lack of maintenance, I will certainly create another video and let you know. So if you think this is something that you can use, the link is below so you can have immediate access. And if you're struggling to make money online and would like to learn how to build a business like I did, then click on my link below for some free training that'll get you on the right foot and show you some truths that you probably haven't heard before. So thanks for watching my review. If you enjoyed it, would you please subscribe to my channel? And don't forget that bell. If you have any questions or comments about this software, just let me know below and I'll get right back to you. So until next time, keep doing your research. Cheers.